Ubani uThepha. Njalo uThepha nakathi ngiyazi uma sengihlele so any gift ebuya ngithola vele ngivele ezirelaxe.
Kumbuli sawa le. Asazuba ngabe kufaka.
Mara lesawa seyidliwe ekhaya isafana nesawa ilakho.
Nakufakele laso. Hey, uzosala solo uyayifuna njani? Hayi. Ngingabantwana uthe nangikula ngizothenga ipint ndami lesawa. Ngelimuye.
Pantula sawubona njani? Emmanuel sawubona njani? Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live?
How are you, Mamu? How are you, like?
Sawubona Tebu, sawubona Mamo. Unjani?
Alright, like lobuso wathi nqindi yesitaba.
Ngiright Tebu ngobuso obunonile ngathi izibunu zomntwana.
Hayibo. Ngiyajabula ukubona la ubuso bakhe abujwayelekile yazi.
Nami ngiyajabula ukubona ngentshebe zakhe ezingathi ziyavalelisana.
Oh.
Basi uyabukira la. Yadelela ulaki.
Ufuna Tebu nothola ngizithulele ngwangifaka.
Cha like bekusacheck ukuthi uright la ngiyahlola ukuthi kuhamba kahle yini. Yabo. Into usanda kuvula lakhe.
Ngithanda kuvula ndoda.
Ziyabuya mos.
Ngcono sasekumare number 91.
Green masanta beyamba isigreen beyamba. Account ambuyile. Buyile. Account buyile. A7 screen guys.
Guys, can you all tap the screen and share the live guys? Tap umuntu oyedwa.
Yazi yabona ulakhi adingi ukuthi umbone ebusuku ukuthi uthuke. Even emini uyathuka uma umbona ulakhi. Ngeke ungathuka ubona ulakhi, ngeke ungathuka. Yabuya ngeFriday nkabe yami buya ngeFriday. Sibonga uNkulunkulu nje.
Sawubona Mamondlo.
Ngithunga. Ngizenzela isakale yavuma isakale yavuma
Awuthule Tebu kodwa.
Ngizosula kanjani ukuzero siswami zama nawe ukuze ngikwazi ukuthula. Zaba something ukuze ngikwazi ukuthula uzero uzothula kanjani ukuzero hawa KT will come in. Ngizosula kanjani ukuzero ha ulaki ngathi ama updates ufuna ama updates nje ukuthi kanje. Dear shots KT, thank you so much masiya yabo. Ngathi ufuna ama updates ulaki nje ukuthi lapha.
Mina ime ngathi ngifuna ama ambulance Tebu.
Ulaki la kajwayeleke azazi kade ngazama inkabi yami zama ujwayele. Uhlulekile kumjwayele ulaki.
Ngisulela ngizithulele ne.
Wena lakhi ngathi hlezulwa njalo ngama weekend. Ngathi ubuya njalo udayiwa ama weekend ule bekushaye. Ngendlela ongakhona ebusweni.
Anya understand vele into engiyenzayo.
Into enzayo kabe yami ngiyabona. Wena ngithande ukuthi uyabona ukuthi
hayi ukuthi ngathi into engiyenzayo.
Into enzayo yabona ngiyajabula. Yabo manje ngazi ngathi usemaphoyiseni kanjani. Yabona nje. Guys, ngizizwe 10 roses or rosa. No more band guys ngiyacela.
Guys, can you have 10 roses or rosa to advert?
10 roses guys ngiyacela.
Guys, 10 roses or rosa.
Ntombazana.
Angazi mase ngibuya kuwe Debo ne. Kuyoba ngathi ngifika izolo.
Thank you so much for activating. Ngoshaya umuntu.
Base wayisono bo.
Oshaya
Ubani isono manje? Ulaki. Ulaki to isono.
Yeah, unamanga mbowe Debweni.
Hey bo, ubaba uyadelela uthi waze wayisono bo.
Unamanga like ngisho.
Mamo. Usukela mina, do you know me?
Angaze.
Danko masiyaka yami. Uyakusukela vele. Uyakusukela uthi ngathi ulento. Vele. Uyadelela ubaba. Akiyazi indelele nje mina. Thank you mama sisuba safe.
Ngishaya ngamadonati nabo masi. Sengivelile manje kahle ngendlela eright Debo. Ingitshela lamasinto beningitshela handsome sawubona njani.
Seziyakhala manje usuvelile bayi. Siyabonga ukuthi uvelile.
Yeah, ngamadonati nyana senikhulumela ngathi ronjani.
Uma Mkhonza ngicela ungisendele i-heart me lapho. Heart me yakhe grey. Thank you masiya nge-heart me. Mama Mkhonza please send me a heart me. Thank you so much.
Guys, can you all tell the screen and send the line?
Kule match. Kule match.
Awulakhi mngani wami. Ubuso bakho ngathi irabha. Nobuso ngathi ithumbu noma ungacobisa uvaselina buyoma. Uyoma ilento yakho umlomo wakho uyoma. Unomlomo ngathi ithumbu. Uyoma umlomo wakho noma ucoba uvaselina kuyafana. Kunjengobuso wakho buyashwaqa. Kuyahamuka ithi hamukile. Unobuso kabukayo like noma ungacobisa uvaselina kanjani. Uvaselina kuhlulekile like into edingalayo udinga ugcoba ifish oil straight. Kodwa uzoba right. Awulakhi njaya. Awujaya.
Debo yangizwa ngithulile ne.
Ngiyakuzwa mngani.
Ngirespect 300 coins yakho. Angifuni ukuthi njani mase ngikushaya. Bese ungathi uyangalangala uthi uyahamba wenzani. Ngizithulele yangizwa.
Thank you masiya KT. Balbonga short mshora nano. Yabonga guys yabonga.
Hayi ukuthi anginayo
into.
Kuningi
ngiyakuzwa like.
Kuningi engakusho mara angeke ngikwazi ukusho manje ngidliwa yabo. Mara uyangazi.
Yeah. Angiyawazi ngilindile like. Kodwa uzoba right yazwe like. Uzoba right like urelax sokuthi uzomba kahle yezo ungakhathazeki ukuthi guys asathape iscreen yazi ngani ngithephelana iscreen
mara ubuso bakho Debo ngathi ipapa enyathelwe yinja
awe ewulakuyadelela
uyangisukela ngizithulele mase ngibuya ne guys can you all tap mase ngibuya ku
uthi ubuso wakho ngathi papa ngiyathela yinja awuqedile lapho kodwa nginankinga nolaki besami nolaki besayi uyazi bese awusegrand ulaki yazi ulaki ngathi wasinda kumphakathi ngathi wayeshaya umphakathi wasinda ngendlela akakhona ngathi wasinda kumphakathi ngendlela akakhona ngathi wamgcoba umphakathi wafika ugogo walamula wathi hey boy ingane mntana babiyeka awujami
hayi ngisukele nje guys can you all tap the screen and share the link ngithuli
ayikuthi ngiqede nje ngolaki ish mntanambe asebenzisa iscreen guys
Debo wena ngendlela omubi ngayo ne ngathi ubaba wakho waphikisiso
how yahlasela ulaki Welakhe uyayibona into yokujima. Lento yokujima kanje uyisha kanje ihamba fast ethi grrr le. Uyayibona leyo ndiyayazi. Yabo wena ngathi uthi kanje bese ubeka ikhala lakho bese ithi grrr ngendlela ikhala lakho elikhulu kakhona. Awujaya. Awujaya.
Uyabona la kuwe la kunomgodi ne mama
Yeah.
wayebophisa ukuthi wena kunjani singaveli kanti ukubopha ikhanda
Ngiyabonga
Hey, now look at this. Look. Oh my guys, by activated ngale ubani lo man.
guys can all check the screen and share the live guys
How
will you
would
check
man?
Rosato again
Uteyo.
guys can you have 10 Rosato Rosato
Bothi angithule wenze njani?
Hawu umama usekhuluma izo 200 kanje.
Yebo. Ngiyabonga sweet.
Khala what you? Usekhuluma izo 200 kanje. Ngathi angazi ufike ku 1000 and bani.
Sicela usithulele kancane Tebu kade uba ngumsizi. Thula.
Oh okay.
Kancane. Yabo. Nje. Ulalela lapho umculo wakho. Thule nje. Shawo umoya. Yabo. Ya. Awuya nje. Unjani manje?
We mama ububhaka amakhekhe lesi sigqoba gqo isigqo sobhaka amakhekhe wenzani?
Wethu kuthethula. Ngomele
Alright.
ngakhuluma umuntu manje. Akuthuleke la. Uzokhuluma.
264 kungakhulumi umuntu all right nase ngithula
Anami sengizula ikwina abanye hayi.
Angakhulu akuthuleke nje la live ngiyacela Nkosi yami. Ngade ngikhuluma nje.
manje thina singaba na 1000 ukuya phezulu kumele niphume la ku live ningathuli ukuthi kumele niphume
Straight sure.
thank you Kiki
Ngiyabonga Sisi.
ngiyabonga Rose
Hawu dangithi. Ngiyabonga.
Yeah. Oh mama ubaza indlela bayishaya.
angahambi somfunela intanga zakhe ne
Kunjani mengishe?
Ziyezi intanga
ngibone.
Hayi bukwina abanye.
Oh guys.
Ngeke alale ebusuku abokulala into engiyayenza. President we-TikTok kawayi. Ngeke azalala. Wina abanye.
Wela 43.
yes
Relax.
43 mama
Yakujabulisa
43
senza kala.
yes
28.
Yebo 28.
mina ngihappy Nkosi yami nge40 something I'm very happy
Nami ngijabulile yaw great guys. Engibike ngicreate kunjalo.
sawubona my queen nina qhubeka nihlekise
Nasi sitha sami. Hayibo chief ungahambi mchief. DJ Themba ungahambi wafethu. Ngibona insizwa ngibona.
isondo liyajika guys ningakhohlwa lizojika ngelilanga isondo kube yithi nizosuka la niyothula
President ukubufakile into le.
guys first give Tony time 2 let's all tap the screen and share the live
Oh guys night times 2 guys azamhlasela ngayi$2 nyana nje ku times 2 at least. Thank you President ngiyabonga kabe amaji. Thank you so much Mam Khona.
Thank you so much.
Hawu shebe ivoice isiqale yehle voice. Awukhulume Jenzo lamaningi nangu umama wakazi bethi.
mina
Thank you
ninganginyanyisi
President.
yema mo benithulisa nga2 something thank you Sihle my queen how was your day chef Tebu beni busy
Ngiyakuthulisa mina.
bakho Nkosi yami bongithulisa
Ngeke akuthulisa mina.
280 nge280 something wena Sihle nge364 mamo nge364 364 nina ngithulisa mina nina mfuna ukuthuthisa kule app mfuna nibuyele ku Maxit nakubo 2go ungahleki angidlali nani ungahleki thank you Sihle my queen how was it angidlali nani
Ngikahleke yulakhe uyaspeak ulakhe.
angidlali nani guys can you all tap the screen and share the live
ngathi u-1000.
Relax Tebo, thina siyashaya Nkosi yami. Thina inkinga asithandi ukukhulumela futhi yabo. Silinde
Anifani
izinto zemvelo.
nosihle. Anifani
Hayi.
nosihle. I mean uMamo.
Yeah, my day was super great. Since you left me, you left me so happy Nkosi yami. Ngishiye ngijabulile Nkosi yami. Angizange noma bekhona besokwenzeka okwenzekayo Nkosi yami my queen. Nje kwabo. Mara mina bengi right Nkosi yami.
Welakhi.
Yebo.
Welakhi. Uthi kwamele uthi yebo princess futhi. Ngoba angazi bothi ufuna usithuthisa mexit kanjani. Kwamele uthi kahle. Kwamele uthi yabona zipho. No, so futhi kwamele siyaje. Kim. Ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi kahle ngimphethe la nothi ngimphethe.
Thatha abangani bakho bokunuka. Thatha abangani bakho bokunuka. Angitsheli ngozwide mina. Guys
Akaboni.
basnipe. Thank you Sihle my queen. Angitsheli ngozwide mina.
Waqabuza uLucky. Ulilo ucula please.
Angitsheli ngozwide mina. Ngimtshelile Tebo. Nga84 shut up lapho. Ungasijwayeli kahle. Thank you Sihle my queen. Ungangitsheli ngozwide mina. Wena mama ngikutshelile
Ngiqala ngokubandlama.
Nyaphapha. You papering Nkosi yami. Inkinga nina niyenza ninyaza abantu. Yabo. Nibona ningishaye 3 games nyana ngabo 4 something. Senibona ninyaza abantu mfe nami nginabantu abazabantu. Nami nginama queen nama kings mfe nginabantu abangithandayo. Ehlisana umoya. Yabo, tetelana ugazi. Yabo, isibindi nenhliziyo yokuphampa igazi ku correspond. Ezwa mamo sasemncane Ntombo. Ezwa Tebo. Kusek.
100.
Kusek wena Tebo, kusek.
Welakhi. Lucky. Yabona wongazifundisa ukuthula. Ungasheshi ukukhuluma. Inkinga uyashesha ukukhuluma. Yabo? Uyashesha. Inkinga yakho. Bekomele udlalele heavy table le. Aphi ne 100 cabanga. Ekujabulisa Table indaba yakho. Iyakujabulisa kodwa. Ungasheshi ukukhuluma like next time uthi speak. So speak clear. Ngizimali. Yaba mina. Lathathe la anyoni intanga yini kahle yakhe. Like ngizisisa next time ngingasheshi ukukhuluma ngiyacela please. Ayikho sniper manje.
Uyaphapha. Oh. Uyaphapha.
Let's go.
What is screenshot? Screenshot aga. Sihle my queen. Travel with you Nkosi yami we.
Zathalazi lapha.
Uyaphapha Nkosi yami we. Teres, thank you very much with the head and master cheese.
Ziyaqhudelana zindala zombili.
Ooh, Phoenix, your SS. What's that? Uyaphapha mamo. Uyaphapha.
Guys, asiphe the screen.
Send the trouble with you.
Asiphe the screen guys. Let's double check the screen.
Wait, Nkosi yami. Guys, for the first time, Teres, thank you. Thank you, Teres. Nkosi
Let's
yami,
save, guys.
thank you. Guys, first gift. Whoa. How? Thank you, Sihle.
Bayalwa
Thank you so
labantu,
much. Mama sebengasala bengisha. Guys, first gift only.
guys.
Guys, first gift only times 3. Guys, first gift only times 3. Guys, any big gift only triples.
Yenzeni mina mamo bakithute bwenzeni bakithi.
Teres, thank you.
Yenzeni mina.
Oh, Sihle, my queen, Nkosi yami ngiyabonga ezwa. Thank you very much, my queens. God bless
Ngenzeni
you.
mina, ngenzeni.
Guys, only triples.
Like
Zakhali.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this? Yes, Yes, thank you Sihle. What the fuck is this travel with you Nkosi yami? Phathwa ngamathumbu ke kuqubala isisu. Kuqubala isisu niwaphethe amathishu lapha. Sula ama-daily sun nina siyanazo. Oh, Sihle my queen, thank you very much. Ngisula ngama-daily sun. Ngikutshelile. Ngabo lokhu memeza abozwide kalanga nabo bani. Wena Tebe lokhu memeza usibiya sibiya nywe sibiya that. Bye my queen, thank you very much Nkosi yami, you've done the most. Ningasali ningicelela ke Tebe Nkosi yami ngoba iqueen yami iyahamba nizonya. Yezo. Thank you Sihle my queen Nkosi yami. God bless you Nkosi yami. Tebe ningasali ngiqala izitayela zenu. Ningasali ngiqala izitayela zenu. Senibonile ngizonishaya kabuhlungu. Noshayela amagame ayi-5 ahead eningakawadlali. Enizowawina ngama-200 coins nama-150. 5 to 6 games enizowawina ngama-150 nama-200 ningishaya. Nibuild ama-streaks ngami nizenza abo-clever. Wena Mamo nozwide kalanga wakho safunda ukugifta. Sasuke bengena-staff thina ugifte ngama-coin wonke ungazongitshela. Thina sazi abantu abagiftayo. Guys, can we have a perfume to activate the speed? 20 roses, guys. No me perfume base vuleli speed. Guys, can you have 20 roses? No me perfume base vuleli speed. Niyadelela ni. Yabo. Niyadelela. Guys, can you have 20 roses? No me perfume, guys, base vuleli speed. Niyadelela nina, guys. Yazini. Semane nyathula njani bo. Guys, can you have 20 roses or a perfume to activate the speed? i-TikTok yenu vele yaba neglitch. Abantu benu bathukwe baze basaba nokuthepha iscreen. Tebo. Bathukwe baze basaba nokuthepha iscreen. Mamo. Your people. Bathukwe baze basaba nokuthepha iscreen. The way bathukwe ngayo, the way mina ngishaya ngayo. Yeah. Mina shaya mama ngikutshela manga ungezwa ngoTebu Melody sawubona ungezwa ngoTebu lokade mina nginobuso obuqinile ngathi ithumbu nyashaya mina mamo noma ungasula ubuso akusi 3 coins 3 million. It's a 3 million this one. You get what I'm saying? You feel me? You feel me? Yabo. Takuthwa sawubona unjani? Mina yashaya mamo mina angidlali nezingane ezincane. Nasoyibona bengizithulele ninginyela noTebu lokhu ngijikajika ngesitulo. Ngithi Tebu mase ngibuya. Mamo ubhizi nawe Clara. Tasiya. Mamo siyashaya thina. Guys, can you snipe this game? Galaxy or something imani kanyana kwasipamunyana so kwasasi. Imfana sa muchacho. I'm gonna kill everyone which is on my way. Guys, can you snipe this game to 4K? Imfana sa muchacho. Uzwela mina. Mina ngiyingozi khulu. Gozi. This is just a drop in the ocean. This one. It's a drop in the ocean. Damn it. Oh shit.
Next
Oh shit.
You tried.
Oh damn it. Ngiyabonga Sihle my queen. Thank you to everyone.
Yes, King, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. How are you? Thank you, send you for tipping the screen. Thank you. Who's this? Shakes. He's cool. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are awesome. They're cool. Let's tap the screen, guys, please. Song has tapped in, guys. It's now win. See me saying it, guys. It's now win.
Yeah, konithemba vele njengami yabona mina ngiyanitshela. Mamo noma ungaba ne500 yakuthula uthi dune. Ungaqala. You see what I'm capable of.
Screen.
When I snipe game ku 1.5 raw.
Need you change you.
Guys, first gift 20 times 2. Raw. Sniper 1.5 raw without speed. I'm not something which can joke about. I kill. Guys, can you all tell me screen and share the live?
Mitch, let's all save, guys.
Guys, first give 20 double.
Njengoba u3
Relax, Antombo.
angizwanga
All right, I'll add you
Relax.
after, ne?
But
uthi
Hey, la, who's let you trust me? Hey, to kill.
one.
Ukiyo.
Abokhiwa laba. Bayasiphika abokhiwa because ama-cities ngabantu bethu bayasiphika.
Hayi asazi ukuthi naniphikana kanjani.
Yabona mamo,
Thank you,
inkinga wena
Thank you so
ungangibona
much.
ngu-9 so wena uku-16 usitshela ukuthi mhlawumbe yabo.
Uhambile usihle wakho hambile. Hambile.
Relax mama, akususihle kuphela phela i-MVP.
Let's tape, guys.
Akusihle kuphela nkosi yami. Thank you Shares for activating the speed my queen. Mina nginama queen amaningi nkosi yami. I've got a lot of queen. Relax.
Guys, ngicela iRose
Nama queen
eyi-1.
amaningi.
Angili-1.
Sancenga iRose namanje mina nesikhathi ni.
Guys, ngicela iRose eli-1.
Guys, can you all tell
Content. Thank you, Clint Shell.
Umuntu ngwane sawubona njani? Bathi njengejukuza yebo.
Kube siyabatshela bangasigithi shems. Utebu ngimzwela ubuhlungu yo.
Hayi bo.
Mina
La ezola mina ubuhlungu.
chaza ngami ukuthi umuntu
Mina wangizwela ubuhlungu la.
hello hi guys everyone on the doubles. Guys everyone on the doubles.
How are you Muslim Zil? Guys seven screen ngicela guys zama ukuwina nkosi yami. Seshawe kakhulu guys. Asizameni just uwina le.
One Rose.
Guys seshawe kakhulu. Guys everyone on the speed.
Asizameni guys.
Shares, thank you with the finger heart my queen. Guys everyone on the speed. Thank you Shares. Guys everyone on the speed. Thank you Shares my queen. Thank you. Guys everyone on the speed. Guys sesivile kakhulu nkosi yami. Sesivile kakhulu. Guys everyone on the speed.
Seven screen guys yo. Ngikhonza ngiyashaya. Yo indlela eshaya. Hayi bandla.
Uzoyela imali ungasivoni ngasendi nguvu. Ne.
Thank you so much for tapping.
Ngiyabonga Ntando.
Ngiyakuzwa de.
Yebo mvuka lakhe ama-gens amaningi. Uthe ukhiwa simi-ede njalo elakhe.
Alright.
Ukuthi niyaphikana thina singendawo.
Ngisele ngasave fragment zisuka nje ebhandeni.
Thank you Marana. Thank you so much.
Hayi ayivumi nduku ungishayele ulakhe. Ngizombamba kodwa.
Sasencane ukukhulu okuzayo.
Ngikubamba poison. Idla idanoni lapho vele ba. Yakufanele idanoni usasongumntwana.
Ezikhala kahle. Vele umzimba tebu ne awuna spare wheel ungakhohlwa. Uyiwo wodwa.
Hey. Yeah.
And uyithempeli kaNkuluNkulu kumele uphathe kahle hayi ngokugeza kuphela nawe udla izinto ezimnandi. Ngoba wona
Yebo.
uyithempeli kaNkuluNkulu. Yes.
Kunjalo lakhe inkosi yami.
Ungawugqili ngezidakamizwa kuphela umzimba. Ugqile njalo ngezidakamizwa. Ugqile njalo ngama 43%. Ugqile ngawo ngama 5%. Ugqile hey umzimba lo nkosi yami. Umzimba kaNkuluNkulu.
Ulakhe yazi.
Ama-Rose nyana awu-20 guys indlulu lakhe.
Okawucisha wabuthi yona lakhe. Awe.
Ngitshela ukuthi Tebu abantu abazi ukuthi lo mzimba lo sihamba so siubolekiwe. Umnikazi mase kawufuna uzowuthatha njalo.
Uyawuthatha nje.
Yes. Awufake lapho ukhiwa sike simnyele kancane.
Alright, dang la.
Sanibonani.
Yeah.
Njani?
Siyaphila unjani?
Hello. Yeah, Lucky. Yipani. Hi, Tebu.
Unjani?
Is it a silent game?
Hayi boy. Hayi, yeah, so bafika 500 it's a silent game, yeah.
Okay. John, hi.
Yeah.
John.
Wangena wakhuluma ngama-silent game uze nesmoke sakho se-view once.
Ngibona lonke
Buto
lithule
busaba
phela.
yiyo.
Ya phela sasingabantu abadala nge-scream phela usilonisele please. Yahlala.
Yena.
Yahlala.
You must know what I've entered. You must know.
Yasangana.
Like,
Thank you, Chef. Thank you, Chef.
ukukhulumisa abantu. Nawamena azokhulumisa abantu. Oh, come Samidalo, John. Nawamena azokhulumisa abantu. LJK ngiyabo. Nawamena kanti like unjani?
Ngidla idanone.
Uyidlala uyidlala
Thank you
kanjalo
Buto
John.
busaba.
Mina vele izinto zami ngithanda ukuzidla rough, uyabo? Like ngoba nale mali yakhona ngiyithola kanzima so nazo kumele ngizidle rough. Angeke ngidle idanone sexy for in. Phela it's not like le koti lizosebenza. Le dustbin noma ungadla sex ucocktail sengesipho le dustbin ngolo peaches. Yabo? Yabona lo peaches it all comes out like yabo.
Gonna be cheese.
I'm traumatized. I just arrived. I'm traumatized.
Traumatized.
Ulakho uyahlupha yazi.
Yeah?
Thank you Buto.
Guys, thank you, Lord John. Guys, we've activated the feed.
Traumatized wena.
I'm traumatized. Mina umntana omncane lokhuluma into eziningi.
Yakhula wena bewusheka ufaka imbiya ekhanda la. Usheka uyahlanya wena.
So what?
Yeah? Ubhizi uyavekuza la. Sawabona ama video wakho kanti uconti.
That's dancing. Why is so?
Eh?
So.
Kule ngoma le hey kwangena sifika injiva sihlangene. Kwangena bogwetha sabe sidunusa wena.
Like what I do, like you're watching.
Ungakhohlwa ukuthi la kusekhaya la yithi ama-on.
Guys, let's go.
Yonke into eniyenza iqala idlule kithi basibuza ukuthi right or njani ngithi alo mngani wami ipasisene.
Lucky star.
Uyabakhipha
Let's go. Lucky star.
Ngiyakutshela. I-TikTok ngiyasekhaya inkinga angafuni ukutshela ngoba ngizokuphaphela.
Kuras.
Ikiuba mkhoza.
Ayikho into enje.
Yabona guys man.
Ayikho nje into enje.
I-TikTok ngiyasekhaya nethi ngangafuni ukunitshela ngoba ngiyabona ukuthi bazongiphaphela.
Azokuphaphela.
Ngasekhaya.
Thank you so much Buto muhle.
Thank you, Khaled. Thank you.
Yabona uTik. Before bazothi TikTok uTik wakhona umkhulu wami.
Yeah?
Shaya wena.
Yabona before bazothi TikTok
Yini
uTik umkhulu wami. uTalk iFacebook kamkhulu wami. So bahlanganisa imngondo kwazona kwaba yiTikTok.
Yo, I like let me so try, please. Go.
Yeah?
Eh?
Yeah?
Eh? Uthini?
Eh?
Umzwile leyo.
Uthini? Eh?
Today I'm so dry, Chef. Uthi today I'm so dry.
That is so dry. Please stop.
Uthi today I'm so dry.
Yeah.
Uzwile la.
You guys.
Alright, ngitshele mase ufikile ne. Ubuye ungitshele. Serious. Uthi today I'm so dry like. Utela mina too dry. Ah, mara mfethu.
Oh, Kamili, how are you?
Ushiya uTebu yellow bone mfethu. iTebu yellow bone utshela mina idark ukuthi uya so dry. Tebu ngakutshela ngathi inkiwane ebomvu ibolile. Tebu ngakutshela ngathi inkiwane ebomvu ibolile. yabo ubuyelo bond sebaphuma ufashion
Hey,
umuntu
wahleka
omuhle
nami.
sawubona njani umuntu omuhle ubuyelo bond sebaphuma kufashion guys imini unumber last la ngicela sisnipe le game abo 210 364 yasnipeka nje kahle clean
500
Antusi.
bayathula especially like oh
umuntu omuhle sawubona ayas wena
Ilaphi?
mithi thank you
That's
muntu
like
omuhle nge-admin ngiyabonga muntu omuhle thank you for joining my team nkosi yami thank you muntu
Ngiyela.
omuhle wayo nina relaxa nini ngabo 3 something ningaqali nikhulume nizenze nina ne ningaqali thank you muntu omuhle for joining my team nkosi yami ngiyabonga ne Jimmy ngiyabonga nge-Rose ngiyabonga
Thank you umuntu omuhle, thank you Mamkhonza.
thank you LJK
Awulakhi lama-gens amaningi.
Does it tap the screen please
guys can you all tap the screen and share the live Jimmy thank you nge-Rose nkosi yami ngiyabonga
Sebenza script,
Jimmy
guys.
does it tap the screen please
Sezeshirula.
nithi nafika bokwenda behlangene nenzani
Same thing, yes.
Jimmy with the roses guys first gift on the times 3 guys
first
first gift on the triple
first gift is tripled guys let's go
Hayibo ngenzeni mina manje ngo-level u-level 4 ucasukela nge-level. Thank you so much Mamkhonza.
first gift is tripled guys let's go
Asikithi Nkosi yami umuntu omuhle Nkosi yami eshaklisa yazi. Ngambe ngingazi.
thank you Jimmy ngama-rose nkosi yami ngiyabonga thank you Timmy Timion
Thank you Mtho for the following.
Nangifuna mara ngithathe screen. Hayi.
Tap the screen guys it's all right.
Welakhi.
eta
Ngikhumbula umama bekhuluma kanjani.
ngiyamkhumbula khona la ngisacabanga ukuthi i-network yami or ku-0 vele or angiboni kahle i-network ne ijiji ebali muntu yes
Dark City
hayi noma ngaba i-dark city buka senzani i-dark city ungazodlala wena
Bungasizani kwe-Dark City.
buka
Yazi
senzani
ukuthi
dark city thank you muntu
Dark City
Thina ku-Dark City.
good Dark City guys 10 roses
buka ku-dark city senzani ku-dark city ziyakhipha guys can we have 10 roses or a rosathu akuvele the speed ne guys 10 yama-rose noma
As
i-rosathu
we 10 roses we rosa guys.
thank you muntuza awu muntu ebari ngithi
Guys, 10 roses
alala
we rosa.
lo ngithi awu alala kanti wenza njani la
10 roses guys we rosa guys. Thank you so much. Muthi omuhle. Yebo.
Nje.
Ikhona ukuzira ikhona. Lakha ukhulume nabo.
ubani
Ukhulume nomambo.
Mamo,
10
ngisakubuzile mamo ukuthi is it the network ovela ku-0 ronjani oro i-prank uyaspranka ne so bona sokuno-4 ngapha sokuno-40 soku-400 uyaspranka
No, imprank straight.
hayi i-prank
Ukhiwa. Welakha ukhulumele noKhiwa.
khiwa yini i-prank niyaspranka nomamo nayi imvula nkosi yami
Bayawathanda ama-pranks njalo la.
i-prank ne yanetha nkosi yami awuzwa sokunetha nemvula naye iyasho ukuthi ayi-prank yayizwa imvula seyinetha kithi iyasho ukuthi imhlola
Yes.
enetha lingadumi ayimhlola straight
nangu ukhiwe ekhuphuke bose 3 ha.
Hayi
Ekhuphuka
owami,
ukhiwe.
yekela lo wama-dread umfazi
Yo,
womuntu owami.
Shem, yeah.
Lo nama-dread owami umfazi womuntu mekele.
Umfazi womuntu lo lama-dread, umfazi kalakhi.
Akathatha umamo.
Akathatha umamo ayibo. Kanjani manje?
Kuyafana ukuziro akanamsebenzi musumama. Ukuziro musakanamsebenzi. Hayi.
Mina bengicabanga ukuthi umamo akavali ne.
Yes.
Akavala umamo. Eyothephela ukhiwa kale. Umamo adlala wenzani vele? Yilo yenzayo. Ukuziro.
So let's start the screen, please. Start the screen.
Anganoma userious ngempilo noma angazi nje understand ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ibizwa ngani into eyenzayo?
Tebu, nanyahamba kusa bathi kune meeting.
Usuyahamba?
Tebu nyahamba bathi kune meeting.
Alright, hayi akunankinga lakhe.
Nawe bowufuneka ku meeting mari uzolandela ngazi.
Ngizobona sizokwenza njani, ngizobona. Yo, ayine
Mangana bukeni solo nguma rankings. Kanti namase ningifonela ngathi ngilahlekile njani ngoba ngikhona.
Ufonelwa ubani?
Ngoba sengibona i-group call la should nawe bowukhona.
Ngangifaki mina. Hello Karabo.
Sekayephi uKendi manje?
Wena wasebumnyameni kwenze njani?
Ngisebunyameni.
Kwebhema bese uzobuya ungasangithandi.
Uyahlanya ngibhema igwayi mina. So far so
ubani?
one count every time says ngibhema izolo.
Uhlala ekhaya manje.
Kanti manje ngifasela wena guys ngicela sonke sithephe screen share la guys no one. Kanti manje ngifasela.
That's why ngingathanda ibheme ngoba ukwatela mina.
Makwenze njani kanti uphi uKendi bayo?
Oh guys, can we please tap and share the live? It's
Ngake
been
umuntu othephe screen for me.
No, I'm praying for a miracle right now. I'm praying for a miracle. I don't know why.
Imiracle yani uphi uKendi?
Bad.
Oh, thank you Zingi. Thank you Zingi. Angisebenze ngama miracles.
Thithiza abahamba abantu bamanikazi ngabona abantu abathithiza njengani Shem.
Uyagula ngathi
Oh man,
unesmoke.
hi Tilani. How are you? Thinge kulo.
Mina vele sengazi ukuthi uzima bemgifta vele. Amgiftela ukuthi yena uyitshwitshi. Ebakhohlisa.
What's up, bye. Asilindeni kancane 40 seconds. 40 seconds. Ne? Hi Tibo. Kita uyetitsa papai ne? Yeah. Tulani, Onjani. Guys, please let's tap. Hi me. Everybody, let's party up the screen, guys. Welcome in, welcome in, welcome in.
Guys, Shem, mina nimbulele mina. Kunini abantu
Askisi, mpumi ngiyabonga for ukungithepela. Zimi, did you restart? Do you want to restart?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
Okay guys, meeting yini? Angazi kwenzakalani, sakwi-meeting. Ngizokubona Khiwa.
Hawu.
Noma meeting one la nikhala ngawo lakhe.
Iyo yona le. Iyakuhlupha namhlanje futhi like.
Hayi so mara izoba right.
Ashe, mina nawe same WhatsApp group.
Mara yami
Same.
isase-fresh ayikho la iphuke khona nje.
Same
Angazi
WhatsApp group. Sabona malume. I call meeting without wena. Guys, let's go.
Meeting guys.
Wona temu ngiyakuthola siya ku-meeting uyacwicwiza. Ngiyakuthola
No,
uyafuneka ku-meeting.
It's really so ukuthi phela angithi like ngitshelile ukuthi Ukhiwa uthenga im-ede and uyangibuza manje WhatsApp uthi what's meeting?
Hayi. Yomndeni.
Yasala.
Ayomndeni.
Yomndeni.
Guys, let's tap the screen.
Hello Zimo, right?
Ngitsheleni uTebu ne? Bam.
Utebu wenzeni manje?
Amamdlala
Guys, can you all tap
uTebu marabona amantombazana ngeke ngisho ngitshela ukuthi noma abona ukuthi ismoke asizi. As long as ane conversation nalo ntombazana akahambi.
No,
Angathi
uthi
Rima,
lalela Kendi ukuthi bengengikwazi ukuhamba ngoba uthe ungene kwi-live yami wathi uyovula singim-ede bekhona ulakhe manje sekunzima ukuthi ngivesane yabo ngihambe nje kanjalo efanele kumayizise ngemethi eyi-1
lapho ukuthi umlinda abo Candy vele yabo. Phela mina ngeke
Mina
ngizwe
ngibona
kahle
na message yakho like ngathi guys everybody let's tap.
phela mina ngizizwa kahle ubusuku obuyi-1 ngamshayanga noma 2 games inyana nami ngeke ngithi
Guys, please can we tap the screen?
Let's tap the screen, guys, please.
Hi to Lani.
guys can you all tap
Hi
the
to
screen
Kiai
and check it
Mapasela.
out guys akekho umuntu oyedwa tap the screen tap
Yo.
konje Tebu bowungekho emini nkosi yami Tebu.
guys bekwenzakalani emini bafethu beyikhala
Hayi mina ngizithanda indaba zabantu shem angizithanda indaba zabantu.
bekwenzakalani emini
Guys, let's tap the screen. Guys, accept please.
Angithandi indaba
Let's
zabantu
tap
Tebu
the
ngicela
screen,
ungiyeke.
guys.
bekwenzakalani emini la
Mina indaba zabantu angizithandi ngicela ungikhiphe.
Zima ukhulume emini
Can
ubukhona
we tap the screen, guys? Can we tap?
Guys can you have 10
Like,
roses
it's-
Rosa?
it's-
Nangazi
it's-
indaba
it's-
zabantu.
guys we need 10 roses rose up
Wait. Which game are we playing? Normal game, right? So it means
Starting-
you guys must keep quiet, right?
I start the next game because the first round.
Oh, liphula second round.
Yeah, can we welcome? Let's start the second round, guys.
Ngidlule ulakhi bemnikeza i-travel with me esithi what the fuck?
Thank you so much, Mzu. Boom! Thank you so much, guys. We need somebody to tap for us, guys. Please. Floyd, welcome.
innocent bano grand
Mzu, welcome. Everybody, let's tap the screen, guys.
Zingayibona leyo ibonile bese ngiye-string ngishaya ngayo Tebu. I-travel with me. Ngihamba naye.
Thank you for the follow.
Ubumphethe mos.
abedila nami
Bebemjwayela kabi. Bebemjwayela kabi nomunye umngane wakhe engithole lapho bengishaya ngabo 800 coins. Ngiyi-sniper raw. Ngiyi-dragon ngikhipha imlilo
ihamba
ngingajwayeleki.
kahle
Yo, hi, Kabaku.
awu
Hi, Debra.
lucky jaya
Bazothi njaya yami la.
Goza ya.
ngazona
Yeah,
mfaya
just-
shabulu grand
Guys, let's tap the screen, please.
awu
Guys,
lucky
can you
jaya
Today we suffering.
Nkasha,
Ngibona
welcome.
ngibona sengihleli kanje manje Tebu sengilinda amabhoza kuphela.
ayayenza
Afika amabhoza senzele into eyikhala kahle nathi.
Ungasabi yalazi
Guys,
isondo
please can we tap? You're gonna glitch because of people are not tapping. See, can you keep ne? Because uyenza glitch. So long ngene wena. Abantu abangene.
ukeda yadlala ukeda usona kungena wena
Understand, guys. If we are fake, we are start isikhathi sinungatap. Abantu abangenayo bavele bastike. Ish, they don't understand. Nyamkhipha
akadlala
ungena
ukedi
futhi
banofuka
tap.
kidi
Guys can you all tap the screen? Guys next game njengoba ningibona ngu9 kanje.
kanti ustreama nini
Ngingakhohlwa.
innocent angisakuboni ustream
Smoothie, so welcome. Thank you,
ngele
Mpumela.
bukhile le bukhang can you please save the screen for me
Yo. Othe berangekho shem.
Ngikwenzala bafowethu.
The three quiz. We are talking
Amindaba
about the
zabantu
three quiz. Guys,
angiyithandi Debo.
Shiva, welcome. Guys, let's tap, please. We need to tap. Guys, we need to tap. Hi, welcome. Let's all tap.
Always streaming. Shothi siyaphambana mina nawe angazi kanjani.
Hi, Moiponi.
Mina stream mina ngikubona.
NgoDisemba ngifuna sihlanganise sishayele
Guys,
indima
please
ezulu
can we tap?
ebhadi.
Musa, Sobon. Guys, tap
Yeah,
in,
Ya
guys.
kwehlangana.
Hi, Viwe.
Ayisho
Sihlanganise
ukuthi
uzima indima ezulu ebhadi. Uzimi siyenzela uzima asiyethu ibhadi ngekazini.
Guys, let's try, yo.
ngoba wenzeni uzimo wenzeni?
Uthi uyitshitshi.
Uyitshitshi.
I'm rich, welcome. Pommy, thank you. Guys, everybody, let's tap. Let's all
Guys,
tap,
thank you to everyone who
guys.
was tapping the screen. Guys, ngicela sonke
Yo.
sitap screen. Yeah, manje seyoqala inkathazo.
Okay, guys, welcome. Hi, Kay.
Guys, so stepping.
Hi, I'm Ripomi. Thank you. Guys, everybody,
Guys, thank you
let's
to
tap.
the screen and shit.
The screen, guys.
Sengolelo
Let's
how are
touch the
you?
screen.
Sengongelo. Look, Sam. Let's all tap the screen. Thank you, Gary. Time so guys, that's no moment donuts noma yini. Just you usikwazi le ukukhuluma
Oh, no,
guys.
please,
Please,
let's
thank
tap,
you.
guys. Boniso.
Guys, we need
Kennedy,
anything on the time
welcome.
so
Guys,
guys.
anything is time
Or anything.
Please, guys, can we
Or anything
try?
has
Thank
to
you
the
for
time
having
so,
me.
Anything on the time so.
Long time. Lazi, welcome. Hey,
This
Bo.
time. Thank you, Nana.
How are you, Lazi? Mastermind, welcome. Guys, if you don't tap, for me. Thank you. Guys, Halita tap. If you don't tap for me, I'm losing.
I'm
If
just
you don't
saying.
tap for me, please, guys.
Let's
I'm
all
gonna
tap,
lose.
guys.
General Molly. Richie Rich. Can we tap, guys?
The boy are the same for fishane RSH.
Hi, Speto.
Ulakho nama-gens amaningi. Ibhoza.
Let's go. Let's go. Lucky, you're all going to number 3 and 4.
Hayibo. Okay, ukhendi siyahlasela. Kombela ku number 3.
Game is still angahlaseli.
Oh,
African
ngahlasela.
welcome. Thank you, Mpomeng. Angahlaseli.
Anyone on the
Guys, we
rules,
need to
guys.
tap, guys. Abo user.
We just need one rose.
Guys. Abo general.
To abo use.
Abo user lawa one following, one follower. Specific welcome.
Alpha, how are you? Guys, we need one rose. Steps General. Let me see who Steps General said now.
PBM, welcome. Guys, if you just join, can you tap for me, okay? Yo, where's my alarm? There's 228 likes.
One rose, guys.
Kuminyabonga, hanjalo. JC Lulu. Yazahalani. Room 6, is that you? Travel with me. Or Penny Petrol, what happened, Lucky? Bona, what happened to the travel with you? Stuck in Jelen?
Yeah, okay, don't you pay the petrol?
Oh, that's never 5,000. Yeah, thanks so too, guys. Woo, let's go.
Thank you, Baba Zala.
Ayo.
What table keep quiet now.
Hi, Pumi. Sush keeps. Nyakipa putwam. Nyakipa. Scary days, welcome. Rich, welcome.
I didn't even welcome you in, guys. I'm sorry I couldn't speak.
FM radio.
You came back to my life. Maka Jenny, welcome.
Love failed us though. Didn't he to mention?
Disikubonisa ukuthi glove lisetshenziswa kanjani. Point of correction. Yeah, siyabona nalo lingiphoqa. Thank you so much, Mpumi. Mpumi, try finger hearts or amarosa. Weeping. You see, I must come this side for my extra lessons. Thank you so much. Thank you. Cool. Welcome.
Yazi uKendi ngizoshesha ngwakhathe lamaphiko akhe. Ngiyambona today unama-wings nyana. Ngibona kumhlasela manje.
Hi, Matimba. Martin. Martin, through the invite you shared. Hi, Martin. We're not even friends. Oh, but no share life. I see you. I see you, dear. Welcome, though. Nancy, thank you for the follow. Hi, Velcro. Pumi, thank you. Pumi, you're mastering the love now, ne? Yo.
Hayi ke lakhe bathi imoto yakho iphele endleleni akusho mina kusho uKendi.
Hey, Lucky. Bawenzani?
They stepped even late. I was unhappy.
Oh mommy.
MVP,
Zanele Mashobe, how are you?
Thank you. Come this side, guys.
Babazala
Get
ngiyabonga
another
njengoba bengithulile babazala bebengithulisile Nkosi yami ngiyabonga babazala yeso.
Ngicela guys, please.
Ungivalele umnyango.
Ngicela guys. Ngiwini.
Light me summer man. Ifaka lezi
Careful with all the background those chincha lapha. Namanje smoke still next.
Relax, ngiyakhona ukulabo namaphiko yatatazela. Chill.
Eish.
Chill, guys. Asizame ukuthi emsuka.
Because I can't.
If suffer 500
All the
bazothuka.
background.
Oh, Mpumi. Thank you so much, Dingabo. Hi, Shonolo. If I can find it.
Alright babazala yazi inkinga ngisasene stress babazala nyadliwa bayangithulisa.
Uyadliwa.
Sesekhona.
Times 2.
Kanti manje anisabona. Thank you so much. Please.
I hit the spot. Guys, thank you so much. Ngiyabonga Mpumi. Guys, no, something is wrong, yes. Angabona abantu.
Abekho.
Phela ngu-243 likes mina cabanga. Hi Tommy.
That's why ungalali wena Kendi. Uzi drive isikhathi.
Yo, bengikhalele igwarana kahle kahle. Like the thing, the taste of guarana. That's the only reason I'm talking to you. The taste of guarana.
Corona usutshwala.
The taste of guarana.
Basi guarana utshwala phela mina.
Not guarana alcohol.
Ayikho inyengeziyo ngaphandle kwaleyo.
Nice. What you see?
Iphele ngiyaziyo. Ile utshwala.
Hayi. Angikhulumi ngotshwala mina.
Hayi mzukulu. Mina ngazi leyo ke. Yo, we missed the speech, but it's okay. Pastor, can you please tap the screen for me? Welcome in, Pastor. How are you, Pastor? Hi, Jill. I'm Tutuzi. Manuel, welcome. Pastor, can you please tap the screen for me? Yaphila mzukulu njani?
Hi, Kamkhalo. Nebo, welcome. Ngube, welcome.
Why don't we do teams, guys? And if on Anything, I mean, it's fine.
Can you do teams? Mina, you know, like.
Ngiyazile, it's okay.
Yeah,
Ngizoba notebu, ngizoba notebu, it's okay. Even though singanasmoke senu, so bathola tebu.
not as na smoke, sizoziphushela, but ngifuna ukuba
We
nolaka.
have smoke. We have smoke.
I don't know smoke.
You're right.
So much, my queen. Asenzeni ama
Excuse me.
because I can't watch Ulaki ethulile singemkhulu.
Wetebu ngene ngayiphi? Oh, ngene original.
Hey Rex,
Hi, Gazi. How are you?
how working? Oh, how working?
Ngiyabonga babazala bengisafuna ukuchazela ne. Yayibona i-gift box ne. I-gift box upressa yona bese izothi recharge yabo. Mayithi recharge uzoqala ukhetha i-gift bese mawucheck ezokuthi recharge yabo. Upress ibhubesi libhalwe lion. Yeah. Bese mayithi recharge uyapressa lapho uzofuna.
Don't tell me uphela uhambe wo starter.
Ngiyabonga babazala ngama ice cream.
Like uyambona uCandy wena?
Nana sanibona.
Okay, let me start the match game.
Hi, Sianda.